Good afternoon, ma'am. And this is a video on what are the 10 interesting things that I've learned when I visiting the website in wildlife and biodiversity conservation. Number one that I've learned is what is IUC and red list. This is a critical indicator of the health of the world's biodiversity. Number two is establish IUC and red on establish on what year the IUC and red list established. This was established in 1964. The International Union for Conservation, world's most comprehensive info information source on the global conservation status of animal, plants, and fungi species. Number three that I have learned is how many uh, how many are the species are threatened with extinction. They say that more than 47,000 species are threatened with extinctions. That is 28% of all assessed species. Number four that I have learned is IUCN Red List categories and criteria. It was divided into 9 categories. Number one, not well weighted. Number two, data deficient. Number three, least concern. Number four, near threatened. Number five, vulnerable. Number six, endangered. Number seven, critically endangered. Number eight, extinct in the wild. And last is extinct. Number five that I've learned is IC and Red List partnership. Number one, it was ICN or International Union for Conservation of Nature. Number two is SSC or Species Survival Commission. Number four is ABQ Biopark. Number four is Center for Biodiversity Outcomes. Number five, BirdLife International. Number six, Botanic Gardens Conservation International. Number six is Conservation International. Number seven is Missouri Botanical Garden. Number seven, Nature Serve. Number eight, Rewild. Number nine, Royal Botanic Gardens. Number 10 is Sapienza Universidad di Roma. Number 11 is Second Birch World of Biodiversity. Number 11 is Texas A&M University. Number 12 is Zoological Society of London. Number 6 it was the it was that I have learned in DNR when I visited the different agencies involved in biodiversity. We have environmental management, mines and geosciences, forest management, biodiversity management, land management, and etc. And number seven that I've learned is the press statement of DNR Secretary Rafael PM Lotelia on the Senate concurrence on the ratification of the BBNG agreement. Number eight that I've learned is the DNR. The DNR earns first unmodified opinion from COA for CY 2024. Number nine that I've learned is the news on two Philippine eagles return home to eastern Visayas forest. Number 10 that I've learned is the fun run versus plastics for a planet versus plastics. That's